Introducing the Zulay Rotary Cheese Grater, a versatile kitchen tool designed to make grating and slicing effortless. This manual hand crank grater comes equipped with 5 interchangeable drums, allowing you to easily shred cheese, slice vegetables, and even chop nuts with precision. The reinforced suction base ensures stability during use, so you can grate with confidence. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to operate, while the compact size means it's easy to store. Whether you're preparing a chew, Introducing the powerful Immersion blender, a versatile and efficient kitchen tool designed to make your cooking and food preparation easier than ever. With a robust 500-watt motor and a turbo mode for extra power, this electric hand blender effortlessly handles a variety of tasks, from blending soups and smoothies to pureeing baby food. The detachable base makes it easy to clean and store, while the 304 stainless steel blades ensure durability and precision. Whether you're whipping up a quick S. Introducing the Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set, a sleek and convenient addition to your kitchen or dining table. This battery-powered grinder set allows for one-hand automatic operation, making it easier than ever to season your dishes. Simply tilt the grinder, and it automatically grinds your salt or pepper to your preferred coarseness, which is easily adjustable to suit your taste. The built-in LED light ensures precision, allowing you to see exactly how much seasoning you're add. Introducing the KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer, a versatile kitchen tool designed to make food preparation quick and efficient. Whether you're pounding meats for tender, juicy results, cracking nuts, or preparing shellfish, this tenderizer is up to the task. It features a sturdy, multi-sided design that allows for different textures and levels of tenderizing. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, and the built-in hang hole makes for easy storage in your kitchen. Meet the Tovolo Microwave Splatter Cover, an essential kitchen gadget for keeping your microwave clean. This medium-sized, charcoal-colored cover is made from collapsible, vented silicone, making it easy to store and use. It fits over plates and dishes, preventing splatters while still allowing steam to escape. The built-in handle makes it easy to lift, and it's BPA-free for safe meal prep. Keep your microwave mess-free with this practical and durable splatter guard.